Hello Taurus, this is your monthly reading for the month of June. Any secret message from your partner side? So let's check out. Any message from your partner side? Star card, hope card, divine card, blessings card. So your partner really feel blessed right now. They are very much in their high frequency. They are really feeling positive about each and everything in their life. So your partner is really positive right now. They have all the positive thoughts in their mind. So they are in a very high frequency. They feel blessed. Temperance. So this person is very spiritual that you are dealing with. They balance their emotions, they balance their mind, body, spirit. So this is very balanced person, lot of patience that this person have. So this person totally in a very balanced state. So let me see anything else secret. No matter how much burden or responsibilities this person have on their shoulder, but still they manage the balance in their life, right? That's great. But they do have some responsibilities or workloads on their shoulder. They feel sometimes exhausted, but they still manage each and everything. Seven of Swords, cheating and lies. Maybe because of this burden, sometimes they have to say something which is like not good for your connection. Sometimes they behave like a runner from you. They are running from this connection, or maybe they tell you some lies because of this too much responsibilities and the burden. Sometimes they do that. This person have a good hold on their emotions, but they do want something serious with you, commitment, marriage. Yes, this person do desire this sort of a committed connection with you. Okay, what we have the Two of Swords. They are on crossroads, actually that is giving them the burden, but still they try to balance their emotions in a good headspace. They are still hoping for this connection no matter what's going on. So they are like totally confused, but they still having some sort of a hopes for this connection. Last card. Okay, so they are just waiting for the right time to offer you something, right? Seven of Pentacles. They are just waiting for their pentacles to grow, so that situation will be better, so that they will contact you, so that they offer you something. But right now they are not in that sort of a state when they offer you something, right? So let's see any angels advice related to your connection. You have the Sun, clarity. So clarity coming soon in your connection, very soon. I'm not taking that much cards, just one more card. So we have the All tied up. Right now this person feeling tied up. They are not able to come towards you because they have a lot of responsibilities to deal with. So they are blindfolded. So right now this person is like feeling tied up. So that's why they are not coming towards you, but very soon they gain some sort of a clarity. Any message from your partner side? I'm not taking that much cards. Clarity. So definitely clarity coming your way, or maybe at this person's side. Actually these cards are really small. I have to make some new cards. So okay, let me read out these three cards. Karma. What have we done? So this is some sort of a karma that is like giving them a lot of burden. Next card we have Unreal. Your spirit set me free. See, without you this person feel tied up, and you are the one who let this person feel free. Isolated. I'm empty without you. So without you this person is like isolated themselves. They feel empty. One last message, advice for you, and then we wrap up the situation. Advice card. One advice card. So you have two advice cards. I let my intimate relationship be my greatest learning devices for the spiritual growth and healing. This is really some sort of a spiritual connection that you share with this person. I can release ancient pain by feeling it. If you feel any sort of a pain, so the best way to release it is to feel it. So this is the reading for you. If you like, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.